Hi chicas, welcome back to our makeup channel. Today I bring to you this very dramatic Valentine's Day. Only the brave ones will wear this. I honestly wanted to do something so glittery, amazing, dramatic. If I was doing something on Valentine's Day, I would definitely wear this look. I got so many compliments at work. Everybody told me this was amazing and dramatic. I know it was a little bit too dramatic for work, but it was amazing. I love it. And as you can see, I tried a different thing today. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this look, you obviously don't have to do it for your Valentine's Day. It could be whenever you want. But if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. The first palette I am going to be taking is the ABH Modern Renaissance. I know if you guys were surprised that I actually didn't mention this palette in my 2017 favorites, but honestly it was one of my favorites. I totally forgot because I do have my palette stored away, so I did want to use it and show you guys that I've gotten a lot of use out of this palette because I just love the colors. I do like this palette a lot more for spring than I do for any other season or whatever you call it. I don't know why. I just think it has like a lot of pinks and burgundies, and although it should be kind of like an autumn kind of fall palette, I don't know, I just like it for spring a lot. I don't know why. But here I'm also taking the Huda Beauty palette and just applying that amber color, which is kind of a red orangey. I do want my eyes to look super long and big and luscious because when you do apply glitter on your crease, it does tend to shrunk your eye a little bit. So I really want my eye to look elongated, and I did use these tones that are a little bit more orangey and kind of used it to blend it out. That way my eye looks a little bit more long and sexy. Even though I don't have that much lid space, you can always manipulate the lid space that you have by doing this, and then taking the darker colors and really focusing them on the crease. As you can see right here, I'm going to be taking that color Saffron, and I'm just going to use that color on the crease just to deepen out my crease and really show like that's where my eye ends, but in reality it doesn't. We're just faking it till we make it. And here I'm just taking that color and using it. I love this color. However, you do have to build it up to the capacity that you want. I do like this palette a lot though, because I feel like it gives me more control of the color that I want on my eye, so I really enjoy that. Now here I'm taking the Venetian, I do not know how to pronounce this word. I'm so sorry, chicas. But I am taking that color, which is more of a pink red. And I just really wanted to have kind of like that shade in there just to give it that more pinkish look, because we are going to reapply two types of glitters, girl. So we do have to have that pink tone in there and not make it look so orangey and red. So that's kind of what that color did. Here I am taking this MAC NC42 foundation. Now I did take foundation. I know, why do I always take different products when I cut my crease? I just really want to show you guys that you can use foundation, you can use primer, you can use anything. You can use concealer on to cut your crease. Like all that is doing, like all that the product is doing is just emphasizing the color that we're gonna put on top. You don't even have to cut your crease, TBH, but I really like to have that control of where my color is gonna go and also make it pop up like a little bit more. I do find that I'm a little bit more tan, that's why I use the NC42, but then sometimes I'm a little bit more white. I don't know if I change colors like a chameleon, like what is going on, but I just felt like I had to show you guys that you can do it with foundation, with any foundation actually, and any concealer, any primer that you have. Here I am kind of not worrying about the ending result of the cut crease. Why? We are gonna be applying glitter, so do not worry if no te salió perfecto. Do not worry about that, chicas. All we want is just kind of like, remember, the outcome is to make the color pop, the one that we're putting on top. You are using glitter, so it don't even matter either. But like I said, I like to feel that I have control when it comes to my makeup looks, so that's what I feel like here. So I am taking my time. Cutting your crease does take a while. Take your time, girls, take your time. A lot of time it comes out messy or doesn't come out looking good, but that is because people don't take their time. I'm just saying, it is like eyebrows, you cannot rush into it, okay? Some of you guys are perfect at rushing into it and it still comes out good, and I am so jelly because that is not how I am. I have to take my time. So here, cutting the crease, then I am taking the palette by Jeffree Star, which, oh my god, I had forgotten about this palette. I know I took out all my palettes from under the bed. I do have them stored away there because I needed more. I just need more storage room, okay? Girl problems and makeup, you know? But I did take this palette and I used the color Star Power. Holy Jesus Christ, this color cannot get any more pink. Even when I washed it off, it still stayed on my eye. So this is a really, really good pink. I am so excited to tell you guys that I actually ordered the new Jeffree Star palette. I'm gonna be trying here on this channel. Yeah, so I'm super excited. It is pre-order because, as you know, he sold out in 3 minutes. So I'm super excited to see like when it's gonna get here because I can't wait to use this palette. Here I'm taking the NYX Face Glitter, which, let me tell you guys, my technique is pretty easy. You use eyelash glue and then you apply the glitter on top. Now this first color I'm using is called Red, but it is not red, girls. It is not. I don't know por qué nos mintieron. It is so false. This color is dark pink. I bought it thinking it was red because I was like, I'm gonna create a red look, like it's gonna be so poppin', so hot, like hot Cheetos. No, it was not. It is very dark pink. I did want to try something different, as you guys saw in the beginning, and I told you guys I ended up doing stripes on my eyes. I thought it was gonna look funky at first, but I was like, hey, go for it. It's 2018. It looked freaking fabulous. I don't know if somebody else has tried this before. I'm not gonna try to take credit for that because I'm sure they have, but it was the first thing for me. I personally haven't seen it. I knew everybody was gonna be using glitter, so I was like, no, I can't, like, I have to be original, you know, like I have to make it somehow my look instead of it looking like every other Valentine's Day. So I ended up doing the stripes, and honestly I got so many compliments on it, saying that it was so different, so cute, so glittery, so fun. So I'm happy that I did it this way. Definitely really fun and cute. And I did not show you guys here, but I did do my eyeliner first. It was just way easier that way. Here I am taking the Total Temptation mascara, which is still my favorite since I first tried it on this channel. So you guys, if you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. Here I'm using my favorite lashes from Coco Lashes in the style Venus. Guys, these literally became my favorite. I don't know why. They're just so dramatic and big and luscious and amazing and so not heavy at all. Here I'm using the Star Power color again, applying it under my lower lash line, and also taking that Venetian red. Somebody tell me how the hell to say that word. And I'm also going to be taking a little bit of mascara, and last I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette again, taking that color Vermeer, which I love to highlight with. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. Tell me what you guys think. Is it cute? Is it not? Is it dramatic? What is it that you like about this look? I really want to know you guys' thoughts, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if it's your first time seeing my video, and I'll see you guys here in the next video. Bye.